Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on piano. We'll start by picking a simple tune from the game, like the main theme. Find middle C on your piano. It's usually the white key near the center. Before diving into the song, try playing a C major scale up and down a few times. This helps your fingers get ready and familiar with the keys. Don't worry if it sounds a bit clunky at first. Practice makes perfect. Now, let's simplify that Brawl Stars melody. Instead of trying to play the whole song at once, break it into small 2 to 4 note sections. Concentrate on just your right hand for now, playing only the main tune. Use a metronome or count slowly to keep a steady beat. Playing at a slower pace helps you hit the correct notes and develop muscle memory. You'll be surprised how quickly you pick it up. Once your right hand feels comfortable with the melody, it's time to add some simple left-hand chords. For many Brawl Stars tunes, basic chords like C major, G major, or F major will work well. You can start by just playing the root note of the chord with your left hand or a simple 2-note power chord. Practice coordinating both hands very slowly, focusing on one short phrase at a time. This builds a fuller sound. Consistent practice is key to mastering any song. Try to practice for about 15 minutes each day, focusing on specific sections. Don't be afraid to record yourself. Listening back can highlight areas where you can improve your timing or note accuracy. Most importantly, have fun with it. Experiment with different Brawl Stars themes and find what you enjoy playing most. Keep exploring and enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.